Hey guys, Sanup here. Welcome to another exciting video on bike maintenance. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble the disc pads and reinstall them after cleaning. You can follow the same process if you want to install new disc pads. So the other day, I was lubricating the drive chain and it looks like I put a little more oil than required and some oil got sprayed onto the disc and disc pads and now the rear brake is not existent. So I tried to clean the disc with soapy water. It improved a bit, but not working as efficiently as it should. So I think cleaning the disc pad should help. So let's start with the disassembly process. So to remove the disc pad, you need to remove this safety clip, and you can use a nose plier and just pull it out, just like this. And now you need to remove this pin by pushing it backwards. And to push it, you can use the head of a nail which fits inside the pinhole and you can hammer it out. Once the pin is out, remove it and also remove the disc pads. Now you can see the disc pads are removed. And one very important point you need to note: do not press the brake lever, otherwise the pressure cylinder will come out and you won't be able to push it back without help of any special tool. So just don't press the brakes. Now I will clean the disc with some soapy water and a cloth. Just spray it well from both the sides and wipe it with the cloth. You can see the disc pad has become black in color. So let's spray with the soapy water and try to clean it. So looks like the black stuff is not going out. We need to sand it down. You can see the difference after sanding the one disc pad. Let's sand the other one as well. After sanding, both pads are looking good. Now let's reinstall them quickly. To install the pads, just push the pad in their respective slots until you hear a click. Do the same with the other pad, just like that. Now you need to insert the pin, but before inserting the pin, let's clean it with WD-40 and wipe it good. Now insert the pin by aligning all the holes and make it snug. Now you need to push the pin in its locking position, and for that I am using this long chisel and will hammer it to its place. Just like that. Now you need to insert this locking clip. So with the help of pliers, push it down into its hole. And we are done. So this is how you install disc pads on your bike. Hope you liked this video and found it informative. Thanks for watching and see you soon in another one.